You can always pause this to read it. Please take the time to subscribe to all these channels. They're really great channels. You'll learn a lot. I just get tired of typing all this stuff all the time, and that's why I'm recording it. Hey everybody, it's Mark again. This is going to be a quick video. Maybe your cuckoo clock, whenever it cuckoos, you're having a hard time, or it's making a clicking noise, especially after you just got through repairing bellows. This video is going to show you what could be the issue and a simple thing to do to correct the issue. So let's get started. And as I say all the time, do things one step at a time. I've got the low note bellow connected. I don't have the high note bellow in, so I want to see if the low note bellow is going to work. Which it does. So now I can put the high note bellow in. And you're going to hear a popping noise when I activate this bellow. And you will notice that this bellow top is too close to the wood. Somebody, and it wasn't me, had glued this thing too close to the left, and they should have moved it on the plastic tube to the right a little bit. But I'm going to put a shim behind this bellow, and that should resolve the issue. As you will see, I put a toothpick behind that bellow. When you redo bellows, you have to pay attention to where, especially if you take the top off, the whole bellow top, and reposition it because it came unglued or whatever, or you bought bellow tops because you didn't want to repair them. You need to keep stuff like that in mind. It cannot touch the case or it's not going to work. The toothpick fixed it. Why it worked this long without making that popping noise, I have no idea. I think what it is that the Tyvek material that I use to put everything together is slightly thicker than the original bellow material. And that is why I was having issues. That is the only solution that I could think of, because it didn't do that before when it had the original cloth on it. But again, when you put the tops on top of the bellow tubes, make sure you leave a little bit of space so it doesn't give you those issues. Well, it's back on the wall hanging up. No door to it, and I like that part. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. May God bless each and every one of you.